Hello everyone and welcome to this video session. In this session, I will be going through 10 set of questions one by one and I will be explaining you the meaning of the questions and what is the answers. And at the end of the test, we are going to see the scores, how much I'm going to get in this particular test. So it is an online MCQ test and you can also access the same test from our website saplearningacademy.com. You need to go and type saplearningacademy.com and you can find the website, and in this website you need to go and visit the online test menu, and here you need to click on this SAP BW4HANA online MCQ test. So I'm talking about the set number 5 in this session. So this is the test that I have just opened, and here I will be explaining you each and every questions and answers as well. So the first question, a dimension can have only attribute. Here I'm talking about this dimension view. So as we have the analytic view, calculation view, so I'm talking about the dimension can have only attribute. Is true or false? It is true, because you cannot add measures in dimension. You can add both attribute and measure if I'm talking about calculation view or analytic view, but not in dimension. Going with the next question, you can also think the answers what you think. So you can easily think about the questions, and also kind of you are doing the test along with me. So the next question, flat file can used as source type in calculation view. So here I'm talking about in the projection node. So what type of source you can add in the calculation view? So can flat file data source can be used here? The answer is no. You cannot use flat file data source in the source type for calculation view. You can use any table, you can use any table function, but not the flat file. Going with this, which of the below nodes is used to aggregate measures in calculation view? Aggregation node, projection node, or both? So which node is used to aggregate measures? The answer is aggregation node, not the projection node. Going with the next question, the use of variable in calculation view. There are two things called input parameter and variable in calculation view. So I'm talking about here variable. So it is used to parameterize the output. It is used as explicit SQL filter like where clause, or both option A and B. The right answer is B. It is used as explicit SQL filter like where clause because input parameter is used to parameterize the output, but whereas the variable actually it is kind of a filter, explicit SQL filter like what you give in the where clause while you are writing the select statement. Going with the next one, what is true about table function? Table function is a kind of a logic that you can build when the graphical calculation view does not support your requirement. So then you can write this table function where you can include looping and other so many stuff. So it can be used in graphical calculation view, or it can be used in from clause, or none of the above. The right answer is B, because you can call the table function using from clause. That's what I'm talking about in this question. But if I'm talking about procedure, how can you call a procedure? You just need to simply write call and then procedure name. But in the case of table function, you have to write like select, then fields name, then from, then the table function name. That's the way you can call table function. Going with the question number 6, so that's very interesting about the partition type. Round robin is a valid table partition type in SAP HANA. It's true or false? The right answer is true because round robin is a valid table partition along with the other partition like range partition and hash partition. So there are total 3 partition type in SAP HANA including round robin. This is also a very important question. The use of column lineage in calculation view. So what is the use of column lineage? You may have seen the option while developing any calculation view. So it is used for impact analysis. It is used to analyze the dependencies between models, or it is used to show the origin of a column in a calculation view, and all of this above. The right answer is C, because using this option you can actually see where the fields are coming, what is the origin of this field. Going with the question number 8, using data masking, what you can do using the data masking: hide some or all character with replacement character not used in SAP HANA, or removing complete rows from the data set. The right answer is first one, hide some character with replacement character. Going with question number 9, MDP is used for. So the concept of MDP, how does it work? I mean, does it work on top-down approach or bottom-up approach or both? The correct answer is top-down, because MDP is used to push down the code from application layer to the HANA layer. So that's what we call top-down approach in SAP HANA. So going with the last question of this session, CDS view can be written in SAP HANA Modeler or SAP HANA ABAP perspective or both. So it is an important question those who develop or want to develop CDS view. The right answer is ABAP perspective. You can only develop the calculation view related stuff in the SAP HANA Modeler but not the CDS view. For that you have to go to the ABAP perspective in SAP HANA. There you can build the CDS view. So we're going to submit this button. So also you can have the same option like I'm getting here, and you can see the score. And if you want to take the test again, you can just simply click on this submit another response. You can take another test right here. And as you can see that I have got 10 out of 10. So, and this is just the questions are given again here. So thank you for watching and listening to all the questions and answers. I believe it helped you to understand something about the BW on HANA, and also you can visit to the other tutorials. I've given the links in the video description which you can help you to understand more about SAP's different modules. Please comment below and also like the video if you liked it. Thank you for watching.